Up. Grabe, salty talaga.
This is a frequently asked question. How to get to Nasugbu, Manila to Nasugbu by public transportation. If you're coming from Manila, you can take a bus bound for Nasugbu in two locations. Number 1, DLTBC Bus Terminal in LRT Buendia. The terminal is near Gil Puyat or Hil Puyat LRT station at the corner of Taft Avenue and Buendia. Number 2, BSC Bus Terminal in EDSA Taft, Pasay. It is situated next to the MRT Taft station along EDSA, just behind McDonald's. BSC stands for Batangas Star Express Corporation. If you are from Lipa, you will travel 2 hours and 24 minutes via car. Your route will be from Lipa to Cuenca, Cuenca to Alitagtag, Alitagtag to Santa Teresita, Santa Teresita to Taal, Taal to Lemery, Lemery to Calaca, Calaca to Tuy, and finally, Tuy to Nasugbu. Nasugbu is the first town that comes to mind when people in Batangas speak about beaches. It was the first of the many seaside towns of Batangas to have been built for tourism, renowned for its white sand beaches. Nasugbu, now a special tourism district, has thrived in its position as a weekend getaway for Metro Manila's many tired and exhausted souls, and is home for many luxurious resorts and beach houses for rent.
Hey yo, so welcome to my channel, and I'm here at Nasugbu Batangas, and let's see what will happen next.
When is Nasugbu the right time to visit? From November until May. Generally, these months are dry, with no rainfall. Batangas is often struck by typhoons in November, but it's far from being a daily occurrence. Remember that the Philippine summer, the time when schools close for a break and general population go on weekend vacations, it is generally considered to be March to May, so expect more visitors, most of whom come from other parts of Batangas. Personally, between December and March, I like going to Nasugbu. Welcome to Natipuan Beach Resort. It provides a wide variety of facilities and services and usually includes leisure and entertainment events. Hey yo healers, have a good day. I just want to ask you this question. Where is the best beach in the Philippines? Just comment your answer and let's see if they will agree.
Hey! What's up?
If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click also the notification bell to keep you updated.
Hey!
It's a nice day to celebrate life. And if you are walking here, it feels like you are floating in the air. The sound waves, the breeze of the air, and the view itself. It's fantastic. If you want to relieve your stress and rest for a while, this is the perfect place for you. Come at Natipuan Beach Resort.
Yun, yate ko. Yate. Up. Up.
Come, let's go. So here, I saw... What's that? It's a volleyball court. Beach volleyball.
If you are a fan of playing volleyball, this is the perfect spot for you. Or if you don't know how to swim, just play here.
Ha? Oo. At dumaan na nga. Hindi siya malalim, no? Ayun yung yate.
A few moments later.
Grabe, salty talaga. Imagine that. Oh, so salty. Ayan. Sobrang alat po. Grabe. Grabe. Sobra. Ang alat. Sobrami to. Woo! Yes, banana boat. Let's see. Hey! Hey, yo! Banana boat sa Dekede. Taba-taba ko na. Namans na. Wala. Ayun na nga, hindi na nga kami natuloy. Kasi, tagal. Tagal kasi yung tao. Iuwi pa kami. So, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!